Here's how you can start affiliate marketing in 2026, and here's exactly where I began. First, let me ask you a question. What if everything you've been told about affiliate marketing is wrong? What if you didn't need thousands of subscribers? What if you didn't need a website? Shock horror. You didn't need paid ads, and you certainly didn't need to be a technical genius or guru. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 things I wish every beginner knew before starting affiliate marketing in 2026. But make sure you stay until number 1, as we were going in reverse, because that's the difference between earning the odd commission here and there and building an income that can pay you month after month. Hi, I'm Trevor, and on this channel, I help people over 50 build retirement income using one traffic source, one simple system, and simple monthly passive income strategies without all the technical overwhelm. And before we begin, if you'd like to discover how a secret backwards funnel generated my business partner $4,773 in 10 days without sales calls, DMs, or a big audience, grab his free masterclass using the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5, stop waiting until you know everything. Can I let you into a little secret? Nobody ever feels ready. If we all waited until we knew absolutely everything, nothing would ever get done. Affiliate marketing isn't about being an expert. It's about helping someone solve a problem, as simple as that. Think about it. If your neighbor asks you to recommend a good gardener, the first thing you do is probably give them a name, yeah? You wouldn't expect the gardener to pay you, but in affiliate marketing, that's exactly what happens. You get paid. So you recommend someone buys, you receive a commission. It's simple, but here's where most people go completely off track. Okay, that takes us to number 4. You do not need a massive audience. This is probably the biggest myth on YouTube. People think I've only got 12 subscribers, I've only got 40 followers, so I can't possibly make any money. I think that's rubbish. You don't need millions of viewers. You need people who are already looking for a solution. Someone searching, how do I start affiliate marketing, is far more valuable than someone mindlessly scrolling social media while pretending they're only going to watch one more video. We've all done that. The beauty of YouTube is that people come looking for answers. And when you provide those answers, they naturally trust your recommendations. But here's where many beginners accidentally make life much harder than it needs to be. That takes us to number 3. Stop thinking you need paid advertising. Please don't believe everything you see online. Yes, paid advertising has its place, but it isn't where I'd recommend beginners start. YouTube is already the second largest search engine in the world. Millions of people are searching every day. Your job isn't to interrupt people with adverts. Your job is simply to help the people who are already searching. Simple as that. That's a completely different mindset, and it changes everything. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far and you'd like me to show you the exact system behind it all, don't forget to grab the free masterclass below. You'll see the simple backwards funnel that's been producing some remarkable results without complicated technology or huge audiences. Now here's something that surprises almost everyone. And we're on to number 2 now. Forget the website. Yes, today, not necessarily, your YouTube channel can become your online home. Create helpful videos. Add your affiliate links in the description. Recommend products you genuinely believe will help people. That's all you're trying to do. Notice something. Everything we've talked about so far has been about keeping things simple, because complicated systems usually end up gathering dust. Simple systems get used, and simple systems get results, which brings us to number 1. And in my opinion, this is where the magic really starts. Choose products that pay you every month. Most beginners chase one-off commission payments. I think that's a big mistake. Imagine recommending a product once, then getting paid again next month. and again the following month after that, and on it goes. That's called a recurring commission. Instead of constantly starting from scratch every month, you begin building income that has the potential to grow over time. Now, does that happen overnight? Of course not. But if you stay consistent, keep helping people, and keep creating useful content, those recurring commissions can begin stacking month after month. And that's a far more exciting goal than chasing the next shiny object that pops up on YouTube. So let's recap. You don't need to know everything. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need paid advertising. You don't necessarily need a website. If you focus on recurring commissions instead of one-off sales, you'll be building something with a real long-term potential. If you'd like to see exactly how all of this fits together, grab the free masterclass using the link in the description. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a quick thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like more straightforward videos like this. And in the comments below, tell me one thing that's been stopping you from starting affiliate marketing. Now, I do read every single comment, and I'd genuinely love to hear from you. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.